In today's video, I will walk you through how to crop video in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and load your project. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version from there. Cropping a video is a useful editing technique that helps remove unwanted areas, improve framing, and focus attention on the most important part of your footage. This is commonly used for YouTube videos, short-form content, gaming clips, tutorials, and cinematic edits, where you want your video to fit a certain format or look cleaner on screen. Once your project is open, make sure the video you want to crop is already placed on the timeline. After your footage is ready, click on the specific clip you want to edit. As soon as the clip is selected, additional editing tools will appear near the top left section of the timeline. From there, click on the crop ratio option to open the cropping window. Inside this window, you can control exactly which part of the footage remains visible. Use your mouse to click and drag the edges or corners of the crop frame until the video is positioned the way you want. This allows you to remove unnecessary sections from the top, bottom, or sides while keeping the important content centered and balanced within the frame. Take your time during this step because small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. Once you are happy with the crop area, click Confirm in the bottom right corner to apply the changes. After cropping the video, you may notice black bars appearing around the footage. This happens because the visible area of the clip has changed while the project ratio remains the same. If needed, you can resize the video afterward to help fill more of the screen and improve the overall appearance. Another option is adjusting the project ratio to better match the cropped footage. To do this, click on the ratio option located near the bottom right section of the editor. Here you can choose from different aspect ratios, such as widescreen, vertical formats, 4:3, and other common layouts depending on where you plan to upload the video. Choosing a different ratio can help remove black bars and make the cropped footage fit more naturally on screen. In some situations, you may also want to keep the cropped clip smaller and use it as an overlay effect inside another project. Before finishing, preview the video to make sure the framing looks correct and everything stays positioned properly throughout playback. And that is how you crop video in CapCut PC, using crop and aspect ratio tools to create cleaner and more professional-looking edits.